Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to give the update on the blast news issue on the Oneplus Nord device, and even I'll try to discuss. So, should you be worried about the Oneplus Nord 2 if you're planning to buy it or if you already bought the device or not? Because I'm getting plenty of messages saying that should I be worried about this Oneplus Nord 2 or not based upon this blasting news incidents. And one more thing, I just want to give a quick update on the blast news which I did post yesterday video, which is a second blast which has happened for the Oneplus Nord 2, but the company did do the investigation, and the Oneplus they did mention that it's a false statement, it's a false allegations. That's the one thing you should know that. So there is till now only one blast has happened with the Oneplus Nord 2, so that is actually correct, not the second blast. Second blast is completely fake statement. After doing the investigation, Oneplus did find out that it was a false statement as well given by the victim. That's the one thing you should know that. So in this video I'll try to discuss, so should you be actually worried about the Oneplus Nord 2 or not? First let's read the statement given by the Oneplus, then I'll try to talk about the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is the exact statement which has been given by the Oneplus Nord 2 device. You can find online as well. If you try to type in the Google, you'll get this kind of similar kind of statement on the incident 2. And you can mention here, so during our conversation with this individual, we were able to confirm that his alleged case was false and in no way involved with any kind of OnePlus product. As you can see, this is what the company did give the reply. So now the question is, okay, leave this blast news side. So now, should you worried or not about this OnePlus Nord 2? Am I worried or not? That is one question. So first let's talk about my experience of using this OnePlus Nord 2. So I'm using this OnePlus Nord 2 from the day one of till now continuously. I did upload close to 150 videos on this OnePlus Nord 2. You know about me how intense kind of testings I'm doing on this phone. So till now I did not have any kind of abnormal things happening in this OnePlus Nord 2 apart from one thing, which is a strange behavior in terms of the temperatures. Yes, so slightly more temperatures I'm detecting in the OnePlus Nord 2 when compared with the other Realme X1 Max and the Poco F3 GT device. The reason I'm trying to talk about only Poco F3 GT and the Realme X1 Max, because all the three smartphones are having that same kind of Dimensity 1200 chipset, and in this kind of 1200 chipset I did feel slightly more higher temperatures I did detect in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So at this moment this is the one thing which I'm really worried about, only the temperatures, not about the blasting thing, but only about the temperatures I'm really worried in the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm not sure when they will be fixing it, but even with the normal usage as well, some of the users, they are actually complaining that they're getting a lot of heat in the OnePlus Nord 2 device near the camera portion, especially. Yes, exactly near the camera portion, that is where the problem is. So at this moment friends, after doing intense kind of testing, you do know me and how did I treat this phone, same way I treated as other phones as well from the beginning to till now. So even I did do plenty of throttlings and a lot of gaming tests, intense kind of testings. The temperatures went up to 46 degrees as well while playing Genshin Impact game. So still only the temperature is the one thing which might be I'm worrying, not about the blast. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this OnePlus Nord 2? So are you worried or not? So in my case, if the next update, if it solves the temperature issues, maybe I might be a little bit kind of cool, but till then only the temperature is the one thing which is remaining in my mind, constant thinking about the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So other phones, Realme X1 Max and the Poco F3 GT, they're having 2 degrees less than this OnePlus Nord 2 every time. Yes, doesn't matter what test I do, every time same thing I did observe. After uploading close to 150 videos and close to 200 videos on the Poco F3 GT, this is what testing I did understand. So slightly more than those two phones, little bit, not much. So that's when this is the only one thing which I'm worried at this moment, not about the blast, but only the temperatures. So thank you for watching. I thought of just clarifying all the doubts what users are having on this phone regarding the OnePlus Nord 2, regarding the blast news and everything, should be worried or not. So let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on the OnePlus, because I'm not supporting any company and no company is paying me anything. I think all these phones I bought with my own money. I just want to clarify all the doubts and give you the complete facts. That is the reason of me making this kind of video. So thank you for watching this video friends, and that's it in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.